place to go.
Get ready now.
Sunlight dances through the window.
Lie face down. Lift yourself on your forearms and toes. Keep your posture straight. Hold the position.
Got no
50
plans,
seconds.
just me and you. Time slows down when you're around. Feel the rhythm of our hearts pound. In the quiet we find a groove. Lost in love, no need to move. It's a love, no need to move. It's a lazy weekend, just you and me. Wrapped up in pink blankets, under the sheets. Lost in the moment, in our own dream. In this lazy weekend, we're wild and free. Coffee stains on the table. Lazy kisses, we're unable to escape this cozy bubble where we're
It's almost done.
lost in each other's trouble.
Sit down on the floor.
Time slows down when you're around. Feel the rhythm of our hearts pound. In the quiet we find a groove. Lost in love, no need to move.
Stand on your hands and feet while facing the ceiling and move your hips up until your hips get in line with your body and lower again.
Just you
Repeat.
and me.
50 seconds.
Wrapped up in pink blankets, under the sheets. Lost in the moment, in our own dream. In this lazy weekend, we're wild and free. Lazy weekend, it's a lazy weekend, just you and me. In this lazy weekend, we're wild and free. I hear the beat, it's in my chest. Got me feeling some kind of way. I confess the rhythm takes over. No room to rest. My heart's dancing. It's a love conquest.
It's almost done.
Oh, the
Stand in front of a chair.
it's smooth and sweet, like honey dripping from a golden bee. It's the soundtrack to my soul.
Stand a big step away in front of the chair. As you bend your knees, lower your hips, keep your arms straight, and grip the front edges of a chair. Lower your body until your arms form 90-degree angle, then push yourself back up. 50 seconds.
When the music plays, I just can't help but sway. Nothing else matters. It's my heart that obeys. Lost in the sound, my worries fade. Every note, every chord, a serenade with each beat of the drum. My spirit's unchained in the symphony of love. I am
It's almost done.
unafraid. Yeah, it's pumping so
Stand upright.
loud. It's the rhythm of love, baby, that I found when the music plays. I just can't help but sway.
Extend your arms above your head. Bring your hands together. Then move your waist and arms counterclockwise in big circles. 50 seconds.
I hear the beat, it's in my chest. Got me feeling some kind of way. I confess the rhythm takes over. No room to rest. My heart's dancing. It's a love conquest. Oh, the melody, it's smooth and sweet, like honey dripping from a golden bee. It's the soundtrack to
It's almost
my
done.
soul's heat, making me move from my
Stand
head
upright.
to my feet. My heartbeat, yeah, it's pumping so loud. It's the rhythm of love, baby, that
Extend your arms forward, make a fist. Open your arms to the sides and close. 50 seconds.
Nothing else matters. It's my heart that obeys. Lost in the sound, my worries fade. Every note, every chord, a serenade with each beat of the drum. My spirit's unchained in the symphony of love. I am unafraid, yeah. It's pumping so loud. It's the rhythm of love, baby, that I found when the music plays. I just can't help but say,
It's almost done.
nothing else matters. It's my
Stand upright.
heart that obeys.
Raise your arms forward and bring your fists together. Then open your arms to the sides. Then extend your arms above your head. Repeat the moves backwards. 50 seconds.
When the world starts to unfold, through all the ups and downs, the highs and lows we share, we'll stick together, ride or die. Let's show we really care. Through thick and thin, you've been there by my side, a shoulder to lean on when the tears couldn't hide. You're the one who lifts me up when I'm feeling down. With you, my friend, there's no need to wear a frown. Friendship, oh friendship, upon the storms and
It's almost done.
sunny days.